Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Ask K-Jin. My name is K-Jin. 안녕하세요, K-Jin입니다. In this series, I'll answer your Korean questions. So if you have any questions, please let me know by clicking the link in the description. Or you can go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin. So ask me any questions. Today I picked questions related to similar Korean vowels. What's the difference between these two vowels? The first vowel, 에, consists of a plus 이, as in a, 이, 에. The second vowel is this, 어 plus 이, as in 에. So, first vowel is supposed to have bigger mouth open. And the second vowel supposed to have smaller mouth open. In modern Korean, we don't pronounce these two vowels differently anymore. So, I was born and grew up in Korea, and if you ask me to pronounce these vowels, I would say 에. And my parents, my friends too, they just say, these are the same. But of course, if you are preparing to become an announcer in Korea or narrator, voice actors, you need to pronounce this slightly differently. But as a normal person who grew up in Korea, we don't pronounce it differently. So don't worry about this. I would say there's almost no difference. So let me show you some examples. I read these words with exaggeration. First, 새집, new house, and 새집, three houses, 새집. But actually, when we speak with other people, we don't really care about these small differences, and we just say like this. First one is 새집. Where is your new house? 새집 어디야? 새집. The second one, 새집. Oh, three houses. 새집. Do you see the differences? So theoretically, there is some differences. There is some difference in the pronunciation, but in modern Korean, normal people don't see the difference. We don't really recognize the difference anymore. Here's the second question. What's the difference between these two vowels? The first vowel consists of 야 plus 이, 야 plus 이, 야, 이, 예. The second one consists of 여 plus 이, 여 plus 이. So can you guess the difference now? Yes, it has ya sound, When you pronounce this first ye sound, you are supposed to make your mouth bigger. Ye. Theoretically, you are supposed to use your mouth a little bit smaller than the first one. So, ye and ye. But again, in modern Korean, we don't really recognize the difference anymore. Let me show you some example. The first word is 얘기. Means story or talk. 얘기. Second word is 예술. Art. 예술. Well, I pronounce these words with exaggeration, but really, in daily life, we just say 얘기, or 예술. 얘기, 예술. We don't really pronounce these words differently. Here's the last question. What are the differences? These sounds so similar. 왜, right? The first vowel consists of 오 and 이, as in 왜. And the second vowel consists of 오 plus 에. The third vowel is consists of U, 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 and E. So these two vowels, when you pronounce these two vowels, your mouth is supposed to start from this shape. U, as in we. This one, you have this E sound, so you are supposed to open your mouth a little bit bigger than the first one, as in we. The third one, you have U here, so you start your mouth shaped like this. U, we. So we. So you don't need to spend so much time practicing these vowels. So they are just like we. Let me show you some examples. I read these three words with exaggeration. 괴물, monster. 괘심, disgrace or shame. 궤도, orbit or track. But again, in real life, we pronounce these vowels in a similar way, as in 괴물, 괘심, 궤도. Do you hear the difference? 괴물, 괘심, 궤도. Well, as a native Korean, I don't see the difference. I don't hear the difference. That much. We don't really pronounce these vowels differently. So don't worry about this. Just remember these three have different spelling, but well, it just sounds like we. That's it for this lesson. Today, I answered 3 questions about similar Korean vowels. If you have any other questions, click the link in the description or go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin. Thanks for watching. I'm K-Jin and I'll see you on koreanclass101.com. 다음 시간에 봐요.